In this section, we'll set up the actions that we'll need for our front-end React app. And the first action we'll need is set DB profile. This will save the profile data we get from our PSQL database to the Redux store. We'll use this action in the auth check component, which we will set up after our reducer. And we also need the opposite action, which removes the DB profile from our Redux store. Our next action will be fetch DB posts. This will save the post that we get from our PSQL database to the Redux store. And we also need, of course, one to remove the DB posts. And finally, we have fetch post comments. This will save all the comments associated with a certain post to the Redux store, and not all the comments for all the posts. And now let's set up action creators to use with these action types we just created. And to save a little bit of time, we can just copy and paste some code instead of starting from scratch. So our first action creator can be setDBProfile, which dispatches the setDBProfile action type. And we also need one to remove the DB profile as well. And we can set up the other action creators in the same exact way as well. And remember to pass in profile as an argument to the setDBProfile action creator, posts as an argument to the fetchDBPost action creators, and comments to the fetchPostComments action creator. And we can add another property type to set DB profile and then called payload, and then set it to the value of profile. And in the similar way, we can do this with the post and comments action creators as well. And we're done setting up the actions. In the next section, we'll set up the reducer to work with these actions.